So we're down here in Sidcup. This is just a progress report video on a project we're currently working on, our Pebbledash removal project. So what we've done so far in this project is removed all of the Pebbledash from all the brickwork on the front of the property, brick cleaned all the brickwork back to its natural colour, started cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. What we've also done on this project is we've stripped all of the stone, painted all of the stonework, and we're taking everything back to natural stone. So I'm just going to give you a close up of how that element now looks. So as you can see, all the detail in all the stonework looking absolutely faultless as always. So all of that's been taken right back to original bath stone. Nice new drip moulds in underneath all of the window sills, all of the corbels, all of the bases. Looking really nice. We're having a new plaque made here for the customer. So all of these bricks are going to be changed. So nice detail chamfered brick all the way around with a nice stone plaque in the middle. Started the pointing, which is all being tuck pointed. So as you can see, once again, another perfect finish to the brickwork as always, looking really nice. Nice combination of red imperial brick and London stock brick. Two combinations work really nice together, especially when it's all been tuck pointed. Customers having windows fitted today as we speak. More new bricks to go in, all down the corner of the building there. Upstairs, what we're doing on the top elevation is taking all of the Pebbledash off all of the gable here. Then we're going to be smooth rendering this gable and then recreating the stone band feature like the houses down this street have got. So we'll replicate that for the customer. Nice smooth render with nice stone band features. Decorating all of the woodwork, changing the guttering as well for them. As you can see, look how beautiful that tuck point looks, absolutely fantastic. Really nice finish, and all the stonework to go with it. Nice new sash windows gone in. The project's going to look absolutely brilliant once it's all finished. So far so good. Lads are making real good progress on this project. Customers are really happy with everything we've done as usual. So really nice people to work for. So they're very happy with everything we're doing so far. So we'll keep you updated how we're getting on with this in the next couple of weeks, probably after Christmas now. There's more to do. Oh yeah, also we've got to do downstairs as well, what we're doing downstairs. Done lots of stone repairs on here as well, so lots of indents have all been put in as well, been handmade on site, loads of stone indents. We've also got to cut out and replace this ground floor sill that's been infilled in concrete in the past. So we're going to be cutting out and replacing this whole sill all the way through here. So a nice new sill going in now. And then once the scaffold's down, new paving being done all the way through here. Nice new plinth on the base of the property with some period air vents, and then possibly a new garden wall with some railings right next door we've got. So massive transformation on this project. Everything's going really well, and we'll show you some more progress in the next couple of weeks. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have.